In today's video, I'm going over the Cash App Cash Card, a free debit card you can get with your Cash App, and I'll show you how you can actually use this awesome debit card to get an instant 10% off everyday purchases at places like Starbucks, Whole Foods, and Chipotle. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric of Everyday Investing, and on this channel we're all about investing and personal finance for the everyday investor. So if you're new here today, definitely feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification to catch future videos on investing in cashback just like this one. But before we start today's video, guys, let me know down below in the comments real quick, have any of you tried the Cash Card yet or the Cash App? I'm interested to hear. Also guys, if you're new to the Cash App and would like to try it out after the video, definitely feel free to join through my referral link in the description box below. Whenever you join through a referral link, both you and I will receive a free $5 from cash deposited into our Cash App whenever you send $5 to a friend. But with that being said, guys, let's now hop inside the Cash App so I can show you how you can start getting 10% cash back with your Cash Card. Alright guys, so here we are now inside the Cash App itself. And if you're new to the Cash App, you can basically think of the Cash App as a peer-to-peer payment app similar to Venmo or PayPal. Now, I've been using the Cash App for a while now, but I've just recently discovered about their Cash Boost feature with their Cash Debit Card. So I'm going to show you now how you can actually get your Cash Debit Card if you already are a Cash App user, or if you already do have your debit card, how you can activate the cash back with it. So this is the homepage of the app. What you want to do first is exit out of the homepage. So let's hit that X there on the top left, and that's now going to take you to the page where you can send or receive money. So what you want to do is click on your balance on the very top where it says $15 on mine. It'll show your Cash App balance. So go ahead and click on that little number, and that's now going to open up the debit card page. So once you're on this page, this is where you'll go to sign up for your Cash Debit Card if you don't already have one. Where it says Boost on mine on your app, it'll say Get Cash Card. So if you don't already have a Cash Card, you'll want to click that Get Cash Card button so you can sign up for your card, design your card, and then they'll send it to your house in about 7 to 10 business days. So when you're first signing up for your Cash Card, you'll notice that you can actually do a custom design on it. So you can simply write your name if you'd like, or you can add in numbers, or you could even add in emojis and these icons to create something more unique and custom. So right now guys, I'm just showing you screenshots of how I designed my own Cash App debit card myself. I actually did all icons with their custom debit card generator. I didn't want to use my name on the card, so I just kind of put custom icons. So this is how mine came out. So that's pretty cool that you can actually design your own little custom design. Just another cool little caveat of the Cash App card. So as you can see, after doing a couple different variations on my custom design, I ended up going with a Bitcoin logo, a credit card, a diamond, and a cup of coffee. So once you're done designing your card, you'll then hit next and come to this page right here where it says confirm your design. It'll show you a preview of how your actual design will look on your Cash App card. That was my final design. You just hit next from there, and then basically they just confirm your address and then they'll ship it to your house and you're basically good to go. So once you actually get your Cash Card in the mail, you're going to then want to hop on over back to the Cash App. You'll then go back to this debit card page and you'll want to activate it. Where it says Boost on mine, it'll say Activate Card on yours. Once you activate your card, your screen will then look exactly like mine, your debit card with the option to boost underneath it. So let's now talk about the boost itself. So the Cash Boost is the actual unique feature with the Cash App debit card that allows you to get up to 10% cash back for your in-store purchases. So what you want to do is click on Boost. So go ahead and click on Boost right there, and that'll open up where it says Add a Boost to your card. Right now you have Taco Bell, 10% off each visit. Any coffee shop, $1 off each visit. So that could be good for Starbucks, Coffee Bean, basically any merchant or local store that registers as a coffee shop, you'll get $1 off each visit. You have Chipotle, 10% off each visit. You have Whole Foods, 10% off each visit. If you shop at Whole Foods, that's a great option. You have Chick-fil-A, 10% off each visit. You have Domino's, 10% off each visit. So at any time, guys, the Cash App typically has between 5 to 7 different merchants that you can get cash back for your in-store purchases. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about the specifics with each in-store purchase, such as how much cash back you can get, the minimum spend required, go ahead and click on each individual store. So let's click on Taco Bell first. So this will open up some info with each program. As you could see with Taco Bell, it says 10% off each visits at unlimited times. So you can basically take advantage of the cash back feature with this debit card, unlimited amount of times every time you go to Taco Bell. Minimum purchase, $0. So you could literally buy a $1 item and get 10% back. And the maximum discount per transaction, guys, is $7.50 at Taco Bell. And you can use this Cash Boost every 30 minutes. So for example, if you went to Taco Bell once in the morning and once in the evening, you can use it twice that day to get 10% on both purchases. So if you back up out of there, the next app is any coffee shop. So this is the interesting one, guys. Like I said, if you drink a lot of coffee, there are a lot of options. Basically any shop that registers as a coffee shop Again, you can use this unlimited times. The minimum purchase at a coffee shop though is $1.50. So that's not hard to find. If you go somewhere to a coffee shop and you get a $1 coffee though, you won't be able to get the $1 off your visit. So make sure it's $1.50. If you can go somewhere and get a $2 coffee and use your Cash App debit card with the $1 off now, it'll only end up costing you $1. So basically half off. And much like Taco Bell, you can also use this cash boost every 30 minutes. So if you happen to get coffee a couple times a day, you can use this every time you go to get $1 off. So the next cash boost is Chipotle. If you open up Chipotle, it'll show you that Chipotle also gives you 10% off each visit. Again, you can use this unlimited amount of times with a minimum purchase of $0 and a maximum discount of $7.50 per transaction. And much like all the other cash boosts, you can also use this Chipotle discount every 30 minutes. The next cash boost is Whole Foods, and I think this one is definitely the most unique one because most of the other ones center around fast food shops or coffee shops, but this is the only one that's really a grocery shop. So here you can get 10% off each visit, unlimited amount of times. The minimum purchase here is $0, guys, with a maximum discount of $7.50 per transaction. And just like the other ones, you can use this discount every 30 minutes. So if you happen to go to Whole Foods one morning and get some cereal, you can get 10% off your purchase. And if you forget later in the day, oh, I forgot to get some milk with that, you can go back to Whole Foods and get another 10% off your milk. So definitely an easy way to get 10% off your grocery shopping. This is by far the best discount you can find for grocery shopping because Amazon does have a credit card itself where you get 5% cash back at Whole Foods. But when I saw this, you get 10% back at Whole Foods. That's double the cash back of the dedicated Amazon Whole Foods credit card. You really can't find a grocery card where you can get this high of a cashback percentage on your grocery purchases. The next cash boost is Chick-fil-A. So if you have Chick-fil-A in your area, this is a great way to get 10% off each visit again. Unlimited amount of times you can use this. $0 minimum purchase with a max discount of $7.50 per transaction. And you can use this every 30 minutes. By the way, guys, I do want to quickly mention when it says max discount of $7.50, that doesn't mean $7.50 is your max lifetime discount at this retailer. It means that's your max discount per transaction. So you can't get more than $7.50 cash discount in one transaction, but you can get more than that in multiple transactions. So just something to keep in mind. The next cash boost is Domino's, and this is the final one currently. Again, much like the others, 10% off each visit, unlimited amount of uses, $0 minimum purchase, max discount of $7.50, and it can be used every 30 minutes. So those are the 6 cash boosts at the moment. Once you want to activate one, all you have to do, again, is come into this page and you want to click on Boost. Let's say you want to activate Taco Bell right now. Just click Taco Bell, click Add Boost, boom. So now your Cash App debit card has Taco Bell activated on it. So basically, guys, anytime you want to go to one of these shops or grocery stores, you want to be sure to activate it ahead of time, not after. Because if you activate it after, you won't get the discount. You have to activate it before your purchase, before your in-store purchase, and then you can get the automatic in real-time discount. Now, if you want to change your cash boost, say you're done going to Taco Bell and you want to actually now go to a coffee shop, all you have to do is click on the new boost. So now click on any coffee shop, click Add Boost. It will then remove Taco Bell from your debit card and it will now add the any coffee shop discount for $1 off to your Cash App debit card. So you can do this for any one of these. If I want to activate Whole Foods now, if I'm going grocery shopping, I can click that, Add Boost. Now my Cash App debit card is equipped for 10% off at Whole Foods. So I do want to go over a couple quick tips, guys, to make sure that you actually get cash back with your Cash App debit card. The first thing you need to make sure of, guys, is you need to make sure that you actually have enough cash in your Cash App. You need to have more than the balance of your purchase to get that discount. So what I mean by that is, if you're going to Chick-fil-A, for example, and you plan to buy some sandwiches and your total comes out to $15, you need to have at least that $15 in your Cash App to get the 10% discount. If you only have $10 in your Cash App, the transaction won't go through because you don't have enough money in your Cash App debit card. Remember, guys, this is a debit card with the Cash App. It's not a credit card, so you need to have more than enough balance in your Cash App. So if you need to quickly add some funds to your Cash App so that you can use your debit card, what you want to do is go to your main homepage dashboard, and you're going to want to scroll down to where it says Cash. That will show your current cash balance. You're going to want to click on Cash, and you want to click on Add Cash. If you want to withdraw your cash, you can click Cash Out, and that will send the cash back to your external bank account. But if you want to add cash to your Cash App, you want to click on Add Cash. Say you need to add $25 to your Cash App to cover a purchase, click Add 25. It'll then load. You'll then confirm your cash PIN, and it'll say you've added $25 to your Cash App. I can now exit out of there, and I now have $40 in my Cash App balance. So just like that, you can quickly add cash instantly from an external bank account to your Cash App, and now you can use your debit card if you have a purchase to make, because now you have enough funds to take advantage of that Cash Boost discount. The next thing I want to mention about the Cash Boost feature is you can only have one Cash Boost activated at a time. So you cannot have multiple Cash Boost activated at one time, and again, you can only reuse each Cash Boost every 30 minutes. But you can actually use 2 different Cash Boosts within a 30-minute window. So let's say you're first going to eat at Chipotle, you can activate Add Boost on your Cash App debit card, get that 10% off, and then maybe 20 minutes later you're going to go to get some coffee at Starbucks. Then you're going to want to come back in here, click on Add Any Coffee Shop, click Add Boost, and now you can get that $1 off your Starbucks purchase. And the great thing is, guys, you can swap your boost at any time you like. You're not locked into your coffee shop. You're not locked into any one of these for the full day. You can switch it at any time you want instantly. So is the Cash Card right for you? Well, if you already use the Cash App to send money to and from friends, I'd say it does make sense. It's free and it really doesn't cost you anything, and it gets you 10% off at everyday purchases. Now, I will say that the places where you can get that 10% off are limited. There's really only ever about 5 or 6 places at a time, but they do fluctuate those merchants from time to time. There are 3 main staples, and those are usually the coffee, the Whole Foods, and the Chipotle. But the other retailers inside the Cash Boost section, they do change from time to time, like I said, so it is something to keep an eye on, because sometimes they also have promotions where they may offer 15% off a certain month. So let me know what your favorite Cash Boost is. Mine is definitely the Chipotle. I'm not the biggest coffee drinker, and I don't really have a lot of Whole Foods near me, but I do go to Chipotle from time to time, and whenever I go there, I'm definitely sure to get that 10% off. It really is a win-win. And again, if you're new to the Cash App and would like to try it out, definitely feel free to join through my referral link in the description box below, where both you and I will receive a free $5 from cash into our Cash App. If you guys would like to see any of my other Cash App tutorial videos, definitely feel free to check out my playlist of those videos right over here to the right. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video on Everyday Investing.